Come on out here for me. I love buckies. Where are you guys from?
We're actually from Utah. We had to make sure we hit a buckies.
There you go. A buckies is a southern thing, right? And I've only tasted just basically like the snack. Come on over here.
It has everything.
Yeah, I know. I love the sweetened pecans and walnuts the most right now.
So 2 years ago, you guys had the baby. No, it was 2 years ago. It was in the street last time.
We've had are you ready, sir?
I am.
Could you stand right over here for me, please? Please, Carlo. Open your hand up. Alright. Come on over here for me. Matches your beard.
Take pictures, please.
Blend right in. Hi.
Oh, it's so cute.
So guys, we're gonna monkey around now. Monkeys are way fun, I promise.
Oh, it's really
So guys,
It totally put its arm up around you.
You guys all gotta turn out here, right? Well, we're gonna monkey around. Real good.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
So amazing. Did you get pictures?
Yeah.
They're fine, they're fine. You guys can stand right here until I close the door, okay? Just go in the middle for me until I close the door and I'll line you guys up. Yeah.
Oh, he likes you.
Yeah. You guys can come on right over here. You guys can go right here for me. You can go behind there, sir. And you guys can send for your photos, okay? You can help take, you take photos this way, you take that.
Hey.
You guys can stand right
Need a
here.
picture.
Dad's got one.
Look, he's looking for a necklace. There ain't
So
none out there,
guys,
buddy.
we have
He's digging in
Tina
my
right
shirt.
here, Kaylin,
I ain't got no
Darwin,
necklace, don't worry.
and Camilo in here. They're the name of all the business that are in here. What I would suggest you guys doing for your photos is recording everything. And while it's recording, you guys can take your pictures. That's the best and the easiest way. Get in.
They actually were digging in my shirt to see if I had anything on my neck. You little rascal, you. Look. Come on. Butt out of your race.
That works.
Come down here, monkey. Jump on down. Yeah.
He's doing his selfie.
Fresh blood, fresh meats, fresh meats. Alright, here we go.
He's thinking.
Oh,
That's so unfair.
What's up, buddy?
oh,
Hey, come on.
take a selfie.
Good.
Oh,
Oh, you got
You found your saltwater receipt too.
Alright, Boobaloo.
You need to make a phone call?
I know they're hot.
No, look at these.
taking a selfie?
Come on, Yelly.
Right from my face. I ain't got you.
Come on.
Hell, he usually says I don't have too much up there. Okay. Well, that's where they're gonna go. Oh. I'm not a trampoline. Wink.
He did a leap jump like that. He jumped from half a mile to this.
Got 3 or 4 minutes. Look, they just got
Right there.
I know, look right there.
Look.
You got anything on you, bro? You better get it. Oh, beautiful.
I'm gonna try to get in the very back here.
Come on, Gillian.
You don't want to come down?
No.
You coming down?
These 3 are here. There's like, man.
Oh, he just got down.
He's looking nice.
Yeah, he's looking for the food now. Oh,
There he comes.
Look. There he comes. Look.
Alright, I'm in here. I got
At least they know what it was.
Look, hurry, look.
Where are you going, Daddy? Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he wants in your pocket.
That's where all the sunflower seeds are.
You get in there because the monkeys are doing a lot
Take a
like
selfie,
that.
take a selfie.
Oh, Mama, you got something in your hair.
I got nothing on my head, buddy.
Come on, baby. ¿Qué pasó?
You're okay.
¿Dónde está? So guys, who's missing monkey photos? Amigo, pásame el comida de perro. Dile que me pase comida de perro de crack y bro.
My buddy.
Look, your dad's got a friend.
They put something in your hair for the monkeys. They're coming to you.
Yeah, look.
And then I can fix it for their lives.
Hold up.
Hold on.
Oh, come on.
They don't want to be on it.
I'll bring it over here.
That's still one on my head.
He's not doing that. No, he's sticking everybody out there.
Oh, come on, big boy. Darren. Come on, Darren. Come on, BB.
I know, but I would only.
Look.
Come on, BB.
They're
Yeah.
so cute. It's kind of hard to take pictures.
Come on, Gilly.
Mama. Here.
Hi, come on. Do it.
Right.
They probably like you because of the bald head.
Yeah, probably. He likes to her head so much smaller. Now he's looking at it.
Hey. I see them every day. So to recognize them is very easy. Come on, look. Come on, Gilly. Gilly. Hey. Look. Hey.
He's like, okay, here I come. He's just chilling up there.
Look out, get everybody got a monkey photo. Alright, you guys, let's head up before we become
Can she give me a photo real quick?
Get in. Hey, nobody in. Up. Monkey free.
Oh, there you go. He was staring at you. Oh, your pocket.
Take your pictures quick. But you don't really think about anything.
Screenshots of it later.
Yep.
One over here.
Right here.
Come on up here.
Can you take a photo of my or you want to go first?
Alright, Miss Bucky's, come on out here. Alright, come here, Mr. Bucky's.
Mr. Bucky's.
There we go. Jocko! Alright, sir, give me your hand, please.
I don't.
It's fine.
Alright, Mr. Holiday.
It's
okay.
But look how pretty it is.
My girl, who's next?
Then go around the corner.
Rocco, walk behind you.
He's shoving them out of the way so he can have it all to himself. Oh, look at it. Daddy, can you mix it on my hand, please? They weren't this big last time, Mom. Daddy, like this? Keep them away.
This one's sticking on my foot.
They're fighting. You're the big guy.
They're sitting on my feet. Did you pull up on it?
Like that. You're fine. They don't do anything. Look, they've been walking on my feet. I know. Look at he's clawing at everybody.
You want more leaf? You can get close to me and grab more leaf.
Do you want that?
Are you good, buddy?
Hey, you see the iguana, they eat all the leaf, you could drop the stick and drop. Yeah, drop the stick, and they eat all the leaf.
Oh.
You're cute, Emily. I'll take another leaf.
Feed them, feed them.
This big one is eating all of it.
I'll bring them over here by the
There's no one behind you. There's one right there. You're fine.
Emily, we got the little baby.
Let this guy have some.
Can I get this too?
Really?
Look at this guy. He's running.
You can have. Get away! Here, you come on. Come here.
Yeah.
And they're fine. They got a one color from here.
Little guys, get him, little guys. Little guys, little.
Oh, he just stepped over me. Hey, you see the iguana, they got a short tail. That's the second tail they got right there.
Standing really low.
here.
Stay behind me, Dad. Look, behind me again.
See the big one.
Okay, come back a little.
I didn't catch one. Oh no, I've been recording and feeding.
They're harmless.
You're mean.
They're harmless. They're very
This is another big one in this area.
They really don't bite?
You got close to them though.
Where do you put them at?
Here, little guy, little guy, little guy.
Look, I'm petting it.
Look at the exposed his eyes.
Got the face away from it.
Something else exposed his eyes.
This is aggressive. He keeps pushing me.
I don't know why I'm calling it. That doesn't work.
Okay, guys, are you ready? You guys see some big fish right now? You can follow me. We got straight down.
We filled up all our bags with goodies.
From the local craft market.
Do you need to drink some water? Weird sculpture.
That's a cool sculpture. They took this is garbage out of the ocean and they made this sculpture. That's
It's not
pretty
very
cool.
cool that it's garbage, but it's cool they turned it into that.
Yeah, they're taking garbage and making it cool.